Okay, welcome traders. Patrick at Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we're trading crude oil here, and we're using the Delta Pro here. As you see, it got a big surge of volume right here, so we had the Autotrader running, got long and was up nicely, $250 profit. Then it had this little pullback suddenly, and we got stopped. And then some volume come in again, and it went back up, it went, and now it's in turtle mode. So the way the Delta Pro works, as you see here on the green side, we have this is the volume bars. So this reads the volume. So when the volume is green like this on the left hand side of the share count here, basically it tells you what the trend is. And then these yellow markers are where the high volume comes in, where the most volume occurred. And then it monitors the bid and ask, the buy and sell pressure, and see if we can get a push up here. As crude oil has been down all day, it's trying to rally back. Volume isn't really that strong. You need these usually to be over 100, but the trend is up and it needs to get some more buyers here to get going. As you see, we fell. So we already got some profits on the first contract, and when this reversed, I just hit the buy button here and got long. So it's kind of fizzling at this area here, so I'll move my profit target down, tighten the stop a little. So we got 350, that's a nice profit. Going for 500, and see the volume bars are still strong. And I should put this to 32. Come on, let's go. There we go.
Order filled.
So we popped and got out there to 32, and now we go to 34 and 35 naturally. 37. So it starts a new bar here, and the volume's continuing strong, and up we go. So this is a pretty simple, easy indicator to read. I don't know why most traders don't understand it. I mean, it's telling you right here the trend is up. Trend is up from a downtrend. There we go. So we're almost to our goal. Take our stop, push it up here. Usually I'll have my stop a few ticks right under this bar here in case we reverse. So we're guaranteed about $400 gain on this trade. And it's afternoon here, just after 1 o'clock.
New visitor.
So with the market being down, we may get a push here. You see, there's more buyers than sellers here. And there's not that many really sellers as of yet. Could have just jinxed it though. Come on. One more push. Well, it was a nice move. Wish we wouldn't have got stopped here. We would have already hit our goal.
Order filled.
So we got stopped out because, like I said, once it got below that area. So we got $393 gain. Here's the strategy performance. $393 minus commission. And largest winning trade 105. Our Sharp ratio, profit factor 99, which is good. That means 9 winners for every 1 loser. And this trade lasted 3 minutes and 10 seconds. And on a 30-day basis, 12K profit on a monthly basis. So that's a strategy performance. So if we reverse, this isn't really that weak yet. So let's just pause it here. So the volume is still continuing strong here. We had some sideways action right here, and we're going up. Like I said, crude sold off to the lows right here, 1 o'clock, and we reverse. So the perfect way to read the market is by analyzing this trend bar right here. It tells you there's more buyers than sellers. And with this indicator, the Delta Pro, you could always switch back to by not having these numbers on the chart if they're confusing for some, and just having the regular Renko bars and then having the numbers down here. But we try to make every trader happy, and change things for some, and then, oh, this other trader doesn't like this. Oh, some like this, some like that, some like this, some don't like that. So it's hard to please everyone because every trader is different. So we're just slowly grinding here. So the way the indicator works is it reads the bid-ask volume. So when buyers in control, it shows this green trend bar here, and then when sellers, it'll be red. So it's a very easy to understand indicator, and it works because this is all live in the market as it's happening. Okay, it looks like the market is just stalled here, slowly creeping up inch by inch in turtle mode, as I say. So we'll just take our gains and be done with this trade. The market's not going to reverse here. So like I said, the market sold off down here to a low. We started the AutoTrader in a downtrend, and then some big volume came in. Let's go to that. Right there. Right here is where the big volume came in. No, that's not where it is. Came in right here at 68.03. So the way you use this software is basically you watch the volume down here on the volume bar and these bars here. And what this is telling me is that this is an exhaustion of the sell-off. So it had a hard sell down to a low, and what it did here, if you look at the price action, price got below 68. So a lot of stops were taken out right here for those swing traders. And then the market makers come in and they know that people place stops just below and above the whole numbers here of 68, and they ramp it back up. They get long. So AutoTrader got long shortly after. If I seen this happening, I would have been long right over this bar here. And even if I was scalping, say, 3 contracts, get in at 67.95, out at, say, 68.05. I mean, that's 10 ticks, $300 right there. And I did have just about $300 profit, and then it did this pullback on me, and I got stopped out right here. So I was halfway to my goal of 500. Should have took it. So quick sell off because they probably had a boatload of contracts and took their profits on 20, 30 ticks. And then I seen the volume come in again. So I got long. And then the price went back up. We take our first profit target at 8 ticks. It's still not really weak here because this volume bar here, trend bar, is not fully engulfed in red and below this bar, so you stay long. And then we hit our second target. We took some profits because it was going sideways, and then it kind of did a dip. Then we got stopped out. I had to stop a little tight, and as you see, it's not really going anywhere. Had one more surge, and then we get a move to the downside. So that's how the Trading123 Delta works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Patrick at Trader, Trading123.net. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter on our website. New feature we have for trading tips and discounts on software. And like us on Facebook and Twitter, and follow us here on YouTube. So until next time, good luck with your trading.